Hi there, Serial Trader here. Let's have a quick update on Bitcoin. So from our low there, which on the Bitfinex chart came in around 3215.2. Some other exchanges that's closer to 3000, 3100, but that doesn't really matter. Here we have a nice 5-wave impulse advance, at least on this 4-hour time frame. We have 1 up, 2 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 3. Then we have 4, 5 to complete the initial 5 up off the bottom. So to have a tradable bottom, you need to have a nice 5-wave advance for either wave 1 or wave A. And obviously if it is wave 1, then we're starting a much larger impulse wave, likely the beginning of the new Bitcoin and also overall crypto kind of macro bull trend that we've all been looking for. But even if it is just an A wave, we still have 5 up. Now we've got A, B, C down for either wave 2 or wave B. And again, even if it is just an A, B, we still need a C up. If we were even going to roll over again to make new lows, we still need that C wave up. So we got 5 up, 3 down, looking for the next 5 up. Now the magnitude of the next 5 up is going to be what reveals whether it is a likely third wave or a C wave, and whether we do actually have a new macro bottom in place, or whether we have yet to find that bottom. Either way, this picture, this painted here, this is a probable high confidence good trade setup for a move up in either wave 3 or wave C. And if it is a third wave, and this is a new impulse starting, then this could actually be the entry of a lifetime on the next bull trend, multi-year, multi-month kind of bull trend. So that doesn't really matter from a trading perspective. Here we have a nice 5 up, 3 down, looking for the next 5 up. You enter anywhere in this area we're currently in. You put your stop below the recent pivot low there, which on this chart is 32.15, but whatever the low is on the exchange you're dealing with, that's what you'd use as your stop. And basically, if I were to highlight your risk versus reward, hang on here. All right, so if I can just bring this over. Okay, so we'll put our stop right here at the recent low. We would put the hang on there. Okay, that is our entry. Stop goes at the recent low, and then the target, I mean, it depends whether it's a 3 or C, but let's just bring up some relationships. So bottom here, okay, up to here, measure down. So if the low is already in place here, which it may or may not be, but should be close, that's at 35.70.50 here. Actually here, 35.70. Yeah, right around 35.70. So if 35.70 is our low, and we put our stop below the most recent low at this area down here, which is at 32.15.20. And hang on, where did that fib extension go? Just so we get a target to work from. Okay, we'll go to the equality relationship and the 1618. So even if we just get up to the equality relationship, that would get us to a little over 4,700 if the current low is the low we got here. So you can see the risk reward is pretty favorable. Multiples of the risk you're taking for the potential reward, and that's just in a simple ABC up. If this is just a 3-wave bear market rally of a larger downtrend. Now, if we do have a more significant trend, then we'd be looking at the 1618 for a wave 3, typical wave 3 objective, 1618, and that would take us, up to that 5400 area or so, and obviously that creates an even better risk-reward situation. But again, being conservative and just viewing the potential as just an ABC up, you can still get a really attractive risk reward ratio, entering near current levels and using the most recent low as a stop. So I just thought I'd point that out. I certainly have a position here, and my stop is below the most recent lows, and just thought I'd bring that up. Potential major long-term entry here, and at the very least it looks like a decent trade entry as far as risk reward ratio, and also the pattern just at the core of it. You got a nice 5 up, nice 3 down. I've come down to that AC equality relationship area, or close to it, which is 35.20. Also, we're in between the 618 and the 786 retracement of the initial 5 up off the bottom. We're in that zone right now. So everything's looking quite nice for an entry and a significant move up here. All right, hopefully you can do something with that. And yeah, pretty exciting here. Potentially a major trend change in Bitcoin in its early stages. All right, Serial Trader signing off.